in public transportation right now. Step off the train.
We are public transportation.
No, ma'am. I will physically take you off this train. I'm asking you to step off. Because I'm the police.
Why? I was
Besides
asking.
that, why?
Oh! Whoa! Hold on, take you off. Step off the train. Step off the train. High five, listen. Step back. Everybody step back. I'm a retired police officer. I'm not back. Wait! Don't bite! Don't bite! Stop! Stop! Don't have it. Off the train!
Please catch this.
I'm retired. Stop punching! Give us a minute, Central. Give us a minute. She assaulted. She bit me. She bit me. Get her. Spray it. Spray it. It's all right. Back up, please. Back up. Okay, good to go. I appreciate it. Give me 1 minute, right? Back up away from me. Everybody else. Give us a minute. Just barely under control. All right. Oh, yeah.
Somebody send me this whole thing, please. Somebody send that straight to me. I need this. This is ridiculous.
Go, take your bite. Take your bite.
Take your fucking bike with you, too.
I'll keep the bike.
I need a bike. My bike got stolen.
I guess I've been
Good job, guys. Fuck out of here.
Now you're all fucked up, stupid.
Shit.
He's a fucking dope.
Yeah, it's nice that asshole. How many people tried to tell us? Just get the fuck off the train.